The universe has a birthday, about 13.8 billion years ago, the Big Bang. Everything we see, stars, galaxies, planets, is younger than that moment. Nothing inside the universe should be older than the universe itself. But what if that rule isn't ironclad? What if there are objects that challenge this cosmic law? Astronomers have found black holes that seem impossibly massive too soon after the Big Bang. It's like finding a fully grown tree where only a seed should exist. How did these giants form so quickly? Our standard models can't explain it. This mystery pushes us to rethink the earliest moments of existence. Could something be older than everything else? If the Big Bang was the start, how could anything predate it? The early universe was chaotic. Our usual rules break down. Maybe some structures didn't need time to grow. They were born with the universe itself. So let's journey back to the first tick of the cosmic clock. We'll explore a radical idea that some black holes might be the oldest things in existence, relics from before stars, before galaxies, maybe even before our universe as we know it. This idea could change everything about our place in the cosmos. To see why ancient black holes are so strange, let's look at how black holes usually form. It starts with a massive star, much bigger than our sun. These giants burn bright and die young, fusing elements in their cores. When they run out of fuel, gravity takes over. The core collapses, triggering a supernova, an explosion that outshines entire galaxies. If the star is massive enough, its core collapses into a black hole, a point of infinite density. This process requires stars, and stars need time to form after the universe begins. So, black holes made from stars can only appear hundreds of millions of years after the Big Bang. That's why finding supermassive black holes in the early universe is so baffling. It's like meeting a grandparent who's younger than their grandchild. The timeline doesn't fit. The universe wasn't old enough to make such giants through normal stellar death. So, how did these early monsters appear? The answer might be that not all black holes are born from stars. Maybe some have a much stranger origin. We need another explanation. If these ancient black holes didn't come from stars, where did they come from? The answer may lie in the first second after the Big Bang, a time of chaos and extreme density. The universe was a hot, dense soup with tiny fluctuations in density. In some spots, gravity was so intense that matter collapsed directly into black holes. No stars required. These are primordial black holes, or PBHs, cosmic fossils from the moment of creation. Unlike stellar black holes, PBHs could be any size, from microscopic to millions of solar masses. Many small ones would have evaporated by now, but larger ones could still be out there, silent and ancient. They've wandered the cosmos for nearly 14 billion years. Finding one would give us a direct window into the universe's birth. These aren't just theoretical. They could be everywhere, hiding in the dark, and they might solve some of the universe's biggest mysteries. So, where are these primordial black holes? If they exist, they could be all around us. This ties into one of science's biggest mysteries, dark matter. Most of the universe's matter is invisible. We can't see it, but we feel its gravity. For decades, we've searched for exotic particles but found nothing. What if dark matter is just primordial black holes? A vast population of ancient black holes would behave exactly like dark matter, gravitationally active, but invisible. They could be passing through our galaxy, our solar system, even through Earth right now. Most would be harmless, but their gravity could reveal them. If a primordial black hole passes in front of a star, its gravity bends the light. A brief brightening called gravitational microlensing. Telescopes are watching millions of stars, hoping to catch these telltale flickers. And those supermassive black holes in the early universe, maybe they started as primordial black holes, giving them a head start. Instead of growing from scratch, they were born massive, seeds for the giants we see today. They weren't built, they were born. Imagine the oldest black hole, formed in the first instant after the Big Bang, unchanged for nearly 14 billion years. It's a time capsule from the universe's violent birth. Some theories go further. What if these black holes are fossils from before the Big Bang? In cyclic universe models, our Big Bang could be a big bounce from a previous universe. Black holes from a past cycle might have survived and emerged into our cosmos. They'd be relics from another reality, older than our own space and time. Finding one would be a philosophical revolution, showing our beginning wasn't the beginning. If primordial black holes are the oldest things, then darkness, not light, is the universe's most ancient feature. These objects hint at a deeper reality, ghosts from a time before time. The search for primordial black holes is a quest for our ultimate origins. Are we just the latest chapter in a much older cosmic story?